So hello guys and welcome to another video. This is another FNAF AR 1 video on the new high score toy Chica. And so people are doing videos where they see like what they look like in the first frame when they put them in the workshop, like toy Chica being beakless and VR toy Freddy being all orange and everything. So yeah, here's the photo. As you can see, she looks a lot different. She's missing the beak. The cupcake is behind the slaughter, meaning it's purple. Her feathers are red. She has red on her, and it just looks really good. The eyes are also empty, revealing two red pupils. I'm bad at English. And the bib says game over, which I thought was pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.